Hello, welcome back. So we have done with our upper icon. So today we want to start in this season. We want to start with our Bennett icon. So I have discussed about it. We say we have the upper icon and you have the Bennett icon. So here we have three circles. The first one you can see on our Bennett icon. You can see our three circle. After follow it, we have our 8, and follow it we have our. Let me move this one up. Follow it we have our polygon circle. Follow it we have our 2 square and the last one. So we are going to start with our 2 square. Let me move back. Then if you click on the 2 square here, you can see color. It will pop up some icon. You can see our color. Let me show it. You can see our color. You can see our transparent. You can see our. Move it up. So you can see our images, you can see our crop, you can see our image size, you can see our crop, you can see our image, you can see from gallery. So I'll be discussing the icon one after the other. So if you first click our color, it means that you want to change the color of our interface. You can see color and you can see gradient. So if you pick our color, then it will pop up some color. You can just pick any color you like from here. Then if you don't see any color you like from here, you can just go to our plus button. If you click on our plus button, you see a color. You'll see some color there. Then you can pick any color you like there. So you can pick any green. You can pick any color you like. You can just go there and pick any color. Can you see? You can just be rotating it. If you want to pick this one, you can rotate it. You can darken it. If you want to darken the color, then if you want to lighten it here. If you want to fade, if you want it to fade, you can come here to let it fade or reduce the opacity here. So if you want to darken it, let's assume I want to use this color. I'll just press my OK, and you can see that the color has popped up. Then if I want to use let's assume I have some images that I wanted to use this color. Let me just go and download some images or some flyer. Let me go to my image search and download some flyer. I'm going to look for my image search one. So I'll be working on the flyer I downloaded. Food flyer design. Let me just check anyone I like. So let's assume I want to use this one. Let me look a simple one that you can design also. So I'm going to look for a simple one. I'm going to look for a simple one. Let's assume we want to download this. We want to design this. You can just click here. Let's download it. I want to pick this color. Then I'll click here and download it. Then the download has completed. If I wanted to pick a color from the design I downloaded on my phone, I'll just come up here to come to this button. I'll come and click this button. Then if I click it, it will pop out to my image. I didn't have the image here. Then I'll go back. I'll go add the images to my workspace. Then this is the images, the color I wanted to use. Then I'll click it here. Then I'll now go back to my color. Then I'll go to my plus button. Then I'll go back to the pencil icon, big eraser. Then if I click this, it will pop up the images. Then I cannot pick the color from here. Then I cannot choose the color. That's another method to pick a color. But if you don't want to pick the color, I wanted to use the color code. If you know any color code, you can just come here to pick the color code. Let me go and give an example. Let me search some color code. Color code for gold. Color code for gold. So can you see some color code? We have FF D700. You can just come here and copy it. Next, and you know the color code of wanted to use. Then you will come here, you will delete this and you paste it. And then if you mark it here, it will change to gold color. Then you can pick your OK, then you have it. That is simple three methods on how to pick a color in your design for your background color. But if you wanted to use the gradient, gradient means you want to use combination of two or more color. Then you just come to your gradient and you can pick any one you like. Let's assume you want to use this one. Can you see that we have almost two color here? Then if you wanted to change the color, you want to pick another combination of color also, you can just click your plus button, then it pop out two icon. You can see two edges here, the first one here and this is the second one. Let's assume we want to deal with the first one. Let me cancel this. Then you just click on the first one, on the first icon here. Then you go to your color box. Then let's assume you want to use green. You just pick your green. You can darken it. I want to use color code. Let's assume I want to use the color code here, the combination of two color here. I can come here to pick this red color, or I can choose this color. I can use this color, anyone I like. I can come here to pick this green color. Then I'll pick my mark. Okay. Then after that,